Mamá Beach ese.
Man Beach.
Mamá Beach.
Y ese se paró ahí para ir a saludar allá.
Sí.
Qué pantalones, en
Pues sí,
serio.
es de Puerto Rico.
Esto es Puerto Rico. Me hice como 3 señalamientos. Y entonces después me dijeron que por el COVID no podía ir.
Te sacaron, te sacaron. Si pusieran ese mismo empeño para otras cosas.
Sí, abortion.
De El Salvador, de México, sí, pero lo que nos une a todos es Cristo. Bueno, bueno, pero esto fue como una bajanda, Ramón. Una parranda, pues. Y de hecho, les vamos a decir que se van a ir porque yo no
In 1,000 feet, exit right. Exit right to Calle de San Francisco.
Comunidad La Perla. Still walking here, still seeing traffic. This is another hot spot. It's called La Vergüenza. I was there the other day for mojitos. Not bad. The place gets packed. People hanging out, drinking, partying. I said you'll see that later on today once we get up and going. All right, now we get to the where we do the artisans. We're gonna go in there and look. They should be setting it up. Some people might be there, some people might not be in there. So we'll just take a look and see. Let's see if we can go in this way. Yes, we can. So we'll go ahead and come in, take a walk around, and see what we see. It's hot out here today. I don't know how hot it is, but it is hot. So let me see what's out here. I'm going to start from the first one and work my way down. As you can see, they got some nice paintings, some beautiful things. Let's see what they have around here. Some people don't like for them to record the items they're making, thinking you're going to copy them. Other people don't care. So we'll just walk around here real quick, because tomorrow when it comes, we're not going to be able to walk around here as we're doing today to see what they have for sale. It's going to be too hot. We'll walk around and look. Today is just perfect to look and to be around. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Sorry if you can't see everything. I'm trying to be as kind of discreet as I can, so I don't have any problems with anybody. Trying to find a friend of ours who comes over here. He usually sits out on the other end. So let's see who's around. You can see they got toys, shirts, everything here is homemade, handmade. I miss it. All depends on what you're looking for. There's lots. If I find something that I want, I am going to buy it. So, look at these. These are nice. These are nice. I might have to come back to that. Puerto Rican candy. There's everything here. Everything and anything imaginable. Depending on what you like and what you're looking for. Like I said, I'm testing this microphone out. First time I have it. Hopefully it works out good for this video and all other videos. Trying to make a little investment so I can bring you better quantities of videos and qualities. Everything looks good. Looks nice. It's hot. So you can see all kinds of stuff here. Making things. So we will see what I have, what we like. And I already saw something that I like. Just trying to see if it's going to be something I'm going to buy or not. Maybe yes, maybe no. A lot of nice stuff here. Sorry for the video being up and down. Like I said, I don't have a stand for the phone to hold, so the video might be a little shaky. Like I said, I'd rather be here now than tomorrow. I will be coming down tomorrow, but you're going to see why I said that. There's so many people here, you're not even going to want to walk around or look at anything. If you find something, you better snatch it up the first day. Because if you don't, you're not going to find it again. And artisans are one piece of art. Once they sell it, they will not get another one. So that's what I'm trying to make it look Good. These are beautiful. Beautiful pieces of art. You can see here. Let me see if I can probably get a card or something. ¿Tú tienes una tarjeta? ¿O no? If you're interested in these pieces of art, I'll put his information on here. And you guys can go ahead and order from him. Can you give me his card? Gracias. His phone number's on here. Here's his information. Like I said, some of these people have some gorgeous things. Here's some tables, dominoes. I saw something I liked on one of the other tables, so I'm gonna go back over there in a little bit to find out how much it costs, and then probably purchase it for him. We got a few more rows to go down, and we'll be done here. There is some are outside, some are inside. I always like doing the inside first because it gets packed the most. And then I go to the outside one. All right, I'm gonna let you go for a minute here. Here's a couple more artesanos. There is many more besides these. But these are the ones that we're going to see for today. Maybe tomorrow I'll show some more. Great artwork. Great woodwork. It depends on what you like and what you want. So you can find it all here in Puerto Rico. And today is not a lot of people yet. Tomorrow will be many more. All right, let's go back to where it all started.